I think I just created the best and safest dice strategy that is around. In this video, I'm going to show you how, I'm going to show you why, I'm going to show you the setup, and hopefully we can make money together. So let's jump straight into it. And okay, so this is the original strategy which I have adapted to make it the safest, in my opinion. This is the double up dozens strategy. I stole it from Casino Matchmaker, so shout out to Casino Matchmaker. It's risky, but it profits exceedingly fast. We've got $1,000 in the balance. We've got a $1 starting bet amount, so 0.1%. And we want to get in, get out, make $100 and get out. So I have set. I'm going to show you the setup for this shortly. But one key setup that I have in here is we are going to stop at $100. We're going to stop at 10% profit. The reason why is because this, although the strategy is fantastic, it does have some risks to it, which I am going to cover. And I'm also then going to show you the less risky version that I've created to, in my opinion, better this. So we've been running this now for 15-20 seconds and we are now at $100 profit. Easy, right? Simple, straightforward. We had a couple of dips, nothing too catastrophic, but we made $100 in less than 30 seconds. Amazing. Okay, now we are going to run the safer option in the background. We're not going to set a profit target. We're just going to let it run. Let's jump into it, and I'm going to explain the setup and the reasoning of why and how this is mathematically the better option. What's up, guys? Shuffle.com gives me all of the abilities to create these strategies with their advanced features. Sign up using code OSM to support the channel, but also to be entered into our monthly $3,000 giveaway plus more. Now back to the video. So the original double up dozen setup is as follows. 0.1% of your bankroll is your bet size. You're going to have a 1.5x multiplier. On every loss, increase the bet by 100%. Every streak of 2 wins, reset the bet. And most importantly, stop on X amount of profit. Get in, get out, 10%, 20%, whatever you feel safe with. And this is what it looks like. So if you lose 10 bets in a row, this is how it looks. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1023 is your total, and you are bust. And this mathematical equation looks like gibberish, but what that means is your odds of 10 consecutive losses is 0.0021% or 1 in 40 odd thousand. But this is where the risk is. 2 wins in a row is 1 in 135 to not come in 10 bets. So the safer double up version is as follows. Your bet size is now 0.025%. That is the simple tweak that we've made. Every loss increased the bet by 100% still, and every streak of 2 wins reset the bet and stop on profit. As you can see in the background, we're not running it. We're not running a stopping profit because, well, it's safe. And that is what your now bet progression looks like. You have 2 extra, additional bets to make or losses you can have before you are bust. So obviously it's not risk-free. There's the equation for that. And your odds are now 0.00024% or 1 in 416,667% chance. Now your 2 wins in a row, this has also changed. So this is now a 1 in 300 chance as opposed to 1 in 135% chance. So what do you think? Here's your equation. So if you lose 0 to 5 bets in a row and then you hit 2 consecutively, you are in profit. With 6, you are not. However, in a real life betting situation, consider this sequence. So win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, win. So bet now would be a $16 bet. Your first one will give you a profit of $7.76, but you're still in loss. Your second consecutive win would give you another win at that same base bet, which would now give you an $8 win. So what do you think? Does the risk outweigh the loss? Do you prefer the safer option? Do you enjoy winning money? Why aren't you subscribed? So this bet is still now running in the background. We are at $104 profit. We've made 10% safely. The dips are nowhere near. We had a little dip at the beginning, but that was the equivalent of what looks like $10. Whereas if it was the $1, that could have potentially wiped us out. But we're going to keep this running. We're going to see if we can maybe get to, let's go with 25% profit and hope for the best. But guys, let me know in the comments what your favourite dice strategy is. Is there a better way? Granted, there's a big dip. Okay. So I think our bet then was 128. So theoretically, we were 2 off going bankrupt. So next one would have been 256, then 512. We need to hit that 512, but we did. So if we actually had the $1 original bet amount there, we would have been wiped out. We would have been gone. Goners. See ya. 0 in the balance. Homeless. I'm not. Okay. So the odds significantly improve. With these big dips, the prices increase significantly, and everyone is a winner, except the casino. So, guys, while you are playing, wherever you're playing dice, make sure you consider shuffle. On shuffle, I just got a weekly bonus of $400. Simply by playing, I get a daily bonus, I get a rake back, I get a monthly bonus, and using these sort of strategies, I'm able to wager a significant amount and lose very little. Probably actually profit. I'm definitely profiting. So we're now at 20% profit. We have done this whole video in less than 8 minutes. Giving you the setup. I have shown you how, I've shown you why. Give me the mathematical equations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a better strategy. Let me improve your strategies. Let's take it onto Limbo. Let's take it onto Keno. Let's take it onto Mines. Let me know in the comments and let's win some more money together. We're almost there now. I mean, look at that chart. That chart is simply beautiful. A little bit more, a little bit of a push. There we go. And that's it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I do wish you the best of luck going forward with all of your strategies on Stake Originals. But please, if you lasted this long, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comments if you have any strategies which you think may be better. Let me know. I'd love to do a video on them, love to break them down, love to give you the mathematical equations for them. I'll see you tomorrow.